Good day guys and welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and you can also follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update we will share with you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUDUSD. So first thing first, before you take a trade, you all know that rule of trading. Trade, know your trend. Second rule says trade with the trend. So these are the two rules we are going to be making use of. First, we would have to know what the trend is. Second, we have to take trade with the trend. Now, what can you say the trend is on your AUDUSD? It is very clear and it is very simple. AUDUSD is an uptrend move. We are in an uptrend move. This is it on our AUDUSD. We are in an uptrend move. Now, this is it right here, guys. Market was able to push up to form an high. Here comes the higher low. The market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low, right? Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. This is the higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high. Here comes the higher low right here. So market did give us an higher low. Guess what market did next again? After that, market was able to push up to form an high. Then here comes the pullback level, which is an equal higher low right here, which serves as a rejection zone. Markets eventually rallied up to form a new high. Here is the higher low right here. So with this higher low, we should be expecting market to push up again to form a new higher high. So now this movement is for swing traders. If you would like to hold your position for a couple of days or maybe 1 or 2 weeks, you can go in for the buy on your AUDUSD, because in the long run, AUDUSD will still give us that push up, that bullish move, and that bullish move must definitely take out this high, thereby forming a new higher high. So guys, a bullish move for the day is what we should be expecting on our AUDUSD. Now let's go down to the forward time frame, guys. So this is it right here, guys. This is a zone right here, multiple rejection zone, right? Market was able to give us a rejection zone that push up, right? The market eventually came back to retest it. Guess what market did again? Market rejected and push up, right? Market eventually came back again to retest it, right? From this retest that market has given us, we should be expecting market to continue to push up, which market is currently doing. If you are to zoom it in, you will see your forward time frame. Market has given us a double bottom right here. You can see it right. You can see that the double bottom has been made and broke this neckline, right? So with such a movement, we expect market to pull back and then give us another push up for that will form a new high. So guys, whatever you want to be doing on your AUDUSD, you would want to be going for the buy. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.